Welcome back to this clown's garage. Welcome back to this clown's garage. In this video, I'll show you a quick way to adjust the e-brake on the 5th gen Camaro. Alright, so we have the car up on the lift. So this car, the e-brake is in here in this hub of the rotor. It's like a little drum brake setup. These are self-adjusting when you go in reverse. So what you gotta do is you gotta go in reverse and pull up on the e-brake as you go in reverse, and you're gonna notice that the e-brake lever catches sooner and sooner as you keep going reverse and keep doing that back and forth, cycling back and forth. So let's do it now. We're gonna start the car. All right, so we're gonna go in reverse. And as you go in reverse, if you're pulling up on the e-brake cable, and you do that a couple of times, and as you see, it locked up. So now we can shut the car off. The e-brake is up, it's catching sooner, and we're gonna test this out with the pry bar, see if it's if the e-brake is working. And the e-brake is on, and as you can see, I can't turn it. Also check the other wheel the same way, and this e-brake is adjusted. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me and share me, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. See ya!